Okay guys, we got called out to this '03 Explorer. Four-wheel drive doesn't work and it's stuck in the snow right now. So like you can see, we can press all these, nothing happens. And I'm scanning it right now. We got a lot of codes coming up. Look at that, bam. 4x4, battery voltage too low. That's it. Okay, so let's just clear these and see if it lets me do anything, but that's odd. Let's go into four-wheel drive module, see if we can command anything. Don't remember. Let's see, key on. Let's see, retrieve continuous memory. None. Let's see if we can read a data stream at all. We may be able to pinpoint this if we have an actuation test. Let's see. So just oh, there's more PIDs there. Let's go back. I just want to select them all because we're not going to be. I wonder if it looks like door jar too. I don't think it should. I think you can just reach it and press it. Okay, so let's go down. Let's select all of these. Quick and dirty, quick and dirty. Newer cars are somewhat easier. Actually, the newest ones aren't because sometimes you don't have as many bi-directional controls. But like late 2000s, they usually have a lot. Okay, so let's see. Four-wheel drive switch status. It says nothing. Let's see if I press this. Okay, so we're not seeing any changes by pressing these. Nothing. Let's go over to the other side. Okay, so we're getting nothing there. Okay, so let's go back. We're gonna go into our actuation test. I don't know if it'll let me do it while it's running. See what's under special functions. Yeah, we don't want that because that'll put it in neutral. I don't know what clockwise relay control does. Guess we'll find out. I was hoping that would give us like a high command or something. Oh, I hear something click inside the car. Oh, you know what? I think the four-wheel drive module is actually over there. So I hear that. Let's see. I don't know why there's two clockwise relay controls. Oh, there's a counterclockwise? Okay, so I heard counterclockwise. Okay, so that doesn't seem to be doing anything on the dash. Oh, look, now it says four-wheel low. I wonder if we are in four-wheel low. Oh yeah, we're definitely in four-wheel low. So guys, what does that tell us? The fact that we were able to just get it in four-wheel low Let's see. I wonder if I can put this in 4-wheel high for them. This is actually... Let's try doing clockwise. Oh, we might have to go in neutral for this to switch from 4-wheel low now. So kind of... How did we get 4-wheel low? Because you have to be in neutral for Fords, and then you have to press the button. That's odd though that we were able to go into counterclockwise. This says is it gonna go into 2-wheel drive at all? Because it says 2-wheel drive relay. It's not going to. Interesting. Because usually a 4-wheel drive light will flash when you're trying to come out. So we should have to go counterclockwise according to this. Oh, now it came off. So do we have to go in and out? Why does it say test not supported now? Let's try the other one. I wonder if we set a code. We may have set a code. No DTCs. We can't do anything up here. Oh, is it because I'm in drive? Oh, that might have been why. Oh, let's go back. Sorry guys, really messing this video up. Let's see, activation test. Let's see, so we want to go clockwise. That didn't do anything. Let's try this other one. There we go, I heard it click. But are we not doing anything? Do we have to go and drive first? Let's try counterclockwise. Just heard it like click or something. There we go. Let's see. Really doesn't like that I don't have my seatbelt on. Oh, look at that. So now it goes in the 4-wheel low when I come out of there. Let's try to do this again. Let's go clockwise. So let's see what happens when we come out. Let's see if it takes it off. Okay, so I took it off. Let's do clockwise relay control again. Okay, let's see if we get a highlight. No. Let's try it again. Okay, so we can't go clockwise too far. It'll kick us out. Okay, so that's interesting. So that works. Let's try it again. So it's not supported. Let's try the other one. So that one turns on. I was hoping. So clockwise. Let's see. What's contact plate power? I don't see anything up there. We could add other data streams to try to see what's going on. Pulse width modulation might be for 4-wheel high because these do have this may be able to. Yeah, so we can get this out of here. I think the switch is bad up here, guys, because everything seems to be working. Let's see, add data stream. You know what? This might not. No. Oh, there might be a 4-wheel drive, but we can't get anything. We're not setting any codes. There you go. See, 4-wheel drive, clutch modulation. See that? So let me see if they want to move this, and then we'll go after this. But I think the switch is bad. Okay, guys. So we're back with the Trailblazers. We got a new switch, but I want to test this one before we replace this other one. Also, one thing I want to check, too, is I'm going to turn the heat on. Let's turn the lights on. So this thing should light up, and I don't see any lights on there. Let me turn the flash off. Yeah, we have no lights on this. I want to check our powers and grounds real quick too, like going to the module. I wonder if maybe we got bad power or ground. I'm gonna quick look up a diagram. I think the module's right behind the glove box, so we might just go there real quick and just do a quick couple tests, and then we don't have to pop the hood. Okay, guys, right here's our 4-wheel drive module. Can we test this real quick? I don't know if that's going to be easy to test or not. We may just pop the hood. So literally just push these tabs in and it's right here. I just want to make sure that we have good power and ground. So maybe we'll pop the hood and we'll go out there. Okay, guys, so the diagram said fuse 17 and 18. That's these two right here. Look at that. So they should be good. I say should be because we didn't load test them. But we're going to, what I'm going to do is we're going to pop this panel off and we'll try to test right at the switch and just see if there's any power or anything going to the switch. Since it's right here and this is easier than walking way back to my truck and getting tools to undo that. Well, I do have my little ratchet set, but we're just going to pop this out real quick. Hey guys, the switch wasn't even plugged in. Oh man. See, I didn't bring tools out today last time I came out here. I bet you. Oh, don't want to lose our oil change sticker. Yep, we lost it. Hang on, let's just turn this on. Is this going to be a no part fix? It's going to light up. Oh guys, it lit up. Let's try this. Start this up. Okay, so we turned it on. Let's go to high. Look at that, high. See that 4-wheel high's on? Let's go to neutral. Let's go to 4-wheel low. See how it's flashing? It should lock in place. 4-wheel low. See that? Look at that 4-wheel high. 4-wheel high, you heard it click. 4-wheel low is flashing. Look at that, guys. Let's make sure we're in 4-wheel low. Yeah, we're definitely in low. Got tons of power. There we go, guys. Let me put this back in place. Okay, guys, so there you go. You see 4-wheel low. We'll go to high. We gotta go to neutral for it to go to high. So you'll see it change. And now we're on 4-wheel high. And now we go to low. You'll see it flash. And then we're on low. Back to high. There you go. And you can hear it clunk. There we go, guys. Crazy, I should have brought my tool in. My trim tool last time. There we go. I really thought it was going to be something more exciting.